Hello there, guys, and today we are going to talk about what build systems are. Okay, so we are going to talk about build systems. Now, in order to motivate this problem, I will actually tell you a little bit of a story first. So, to understand what it does, let's first discuss some other things and then we will glean an intuition behind build systems. Let's say you were compiling a program that used a lot of libraries. Now, to remind ourselves, so you have a compiler, okay? So let's say you have some program right here, and something is written here. It goes into the compiler. Then from the compiler, it goes into the linker. And into the linker also goes the libraries, okay, libraries. And then it produces the executable file. Okay, and so let's imagine that we have a lot of these libraries. Now, these libraries can also be called dependencies because our program depends on them. Okay, dependencies. Okay, so basically dependencies are everything that our program depends on for its successful executions. Now, imagine if our program depended on a lot of libraries. Let's say thousands of them, okay, thousands and thousands of libraries for this example. I think you get a feeling that it would be pretty hard to manage it all of that manually, right? So if we had to manually, and let's say that we had to somehow tell the linker, okay, you should link this library, you should link that library, etc. Well, it would be very tedious if we had to manually link all of those thousands and thousands of libraries by ourselves. And we don't like tedious things, so that's where build systems come in. Okay, so build systems take care of this problem, among other things, and actually build systems make managing dependencies very easy. Okay, and one of the most popular build systems is called Make, and we are going to discuss this in the next tutorial, which is used for building programs from source code. That is, when compiling programs from source code. Okay, and so basically what is actually happening is when you're compiling a program, these libraries can become very, how would I say, crude, very I don't know what's the right word in English, but basically very difficult to manage, right? Very difficult to manage. And in that case, you consider a build system because a build system manages these libraries for you in a convenient way so that you don't have to go through the tedious work of managing them yourself. And I mean, you do have to kind of instruct the build system on what to do, but it's way easier than if you had to do everything manually. Okay, so it basically eases dependency management, and it also helps with developing such programs. Okay, so these are the reasons why build systems are useful. I hope you found this tutorial also useful, and I hope you'll subscribe, you'll share this, you'll like it, you'll leave some comments, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked it, and talk to you soon.